Alright, so this is gonna be my first time doing this, actually holding these all the way. Today is June 8th, and we're gonna see how long it takes for these to hit TP if they do. I'm in three different buys, well, three different trades. They're not all buys, but just continuing with this uptrend that I seen on the daily time frame on NZD I redefined the area to a 4 minute demand zone. I'm at 4 hour demand zone. My bad. And I'm doing a new entry confirmation. And so what it is just a morning star pattern where you see one bearish candle, a doji, and the third candle has to close at least 50% of the first candle, and it did. So after it did that, I just took my stops below the swing low of the previous structure, which was here, just to be safe. And I'm going to be targeting the high of the market, which is all the way up there. Same thing for NZDJPY. Go to the daily time frame. We see that we had a new breaker structure on the daily time frame. So I just went down to the lower time frames. At first, I had this zone mark, but then as I kept looking, I seen that there was a 4 hour zone. There was a 4 hour zone right here, and so waited for price to touch it. Then I went down to the 1 hour, looked for that entry confirmation. One bearish candle, touched the zone, doji, and price to close at least 50% of the first candle, which it did. Then I just took my stops below the swing low. Same thing here. I am targeting the daily high, just for price to continue to make another high. Euro NZD, same exact thing. And I see price made this beautiful leg right here, beautiful indication. I see this supply zone right here, and then so drop down to the 4 hour. I see that it's a redefined zone right here. Wait for price to touch it on the 1 hour, and I look for the exact same thing. Just going opposite direction. A bullish candle, doji, and the third candle to close at least 50% of the first candle, which it did. So I just entered, took my stops above the already swing high. And yeah, we're going to just be targeting this low. And I'm actually going to hold these all the way to either stop loss or TP. We're going to see what happens. Just going to start holding my trades longer.